Hello everyone. Set up a quick tutorial on how to use Google Sheets for all of our co-curricular sponsors. We put a workbook together to have one centralized location for all of our club and activity sponsors for this year to enter in their master roster lists for every club and activity that they are in charge of. With having one centralized location, it'll make it easier for us to know who has and who hasn't turned them in, as well as making the process easier for you. And I'm going to walk you through how it'll be simplified for you right now. So if you take a look down at the bottom of the page, we have entered in a sheet for every single club and activity that is going on this year. If for some reason the club or activity that you are in charge of is not in this workbook, please email me and let me know, and I will enter that in immediately. For this tutorial purpose, let's say we are the T-Bolt Storm group. All right, so I've located T-Bolt Storm on the bottom of the workbook by using the left and right arrows here at the bottom of the page in the bottom right corner. Once I've clicked on T-Bolt Storm, I'm coming back to the top of the workbook. You notice we have 5 columns working right now at the top of the page. The first one, which we'll be working with the entire time, is the student ID column. Columns B through E are set up to really just pull demographic information for you. Like column E, as we put in information, will populate a student email log. You can simply just copy and paste all the student emails directly into a contacts list in your email, and then anytime you need to email all your club or activity or multiple clubs and activities, you already have a set group that you can just immediately email without having to track all these down through Skyward or a sheet of paper and having to manually type them in one by one. So we are going to start at the top corner here under student ID, box 2. Let's say the first student in our group, their ID number is 221025. All right, so we put that in. Using the arrows to key, just hit down, you're going to see it automatically populates with whoever student that is. In this case, it's Jonathan Young. He's a 9th grader. And there, as you see in column E, is his ID or his email. So you can go from there. Let's say student 2 is 1030. Hit the down button again, and now we have Jalal's information there. You can continue on whether there's 5 kids in your group or 200 students in there. Just keep hitting the down arrow, and you're really only working in this A column, and all the work will be done thanks to Mr. Dalton in the math department and his wizardry with the Google Sheets program. We'll go from there. If for some reason a student's information does not pull up, please email me. We will do another quick Skyward pull and make sure all that information is in there for you. Other than that, it's pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much.